Good afternoon. There are many things we find ourselves thinking and wishing we knew how to do. I personally have so many interests but so little time to pursue them. For this presentation, I was kind of at a loss as to what I could demonstrate. I do crafty things at home all the time, but they're usually first attempts, and although they work for our family, I'm sure there's somebody out there who has done it 10 times better than I did. One thing I have found time for a little bit in my life is cooking. You know, I have a growing family and a new kitchen since we just recently got a house, and so I have an excuse to make time for this interest. Today I'm going to share with you how to make an Asian salad from a recipe my husband was given from a coworker. This dish is great for parties because the recipe serves 12 to 15 people. It's a bit more involved than your average everyday salad, but the variety of flavor in it really is something that I think people will talk about for a while. Okay, first of all, I'm going to show you how to make the dressing for the salad. So first we're going to take 1 cup of sugar. I've pre-measured a lot of the ingredients in the interest of saving time. 2 teaspoons of dry mustard, 2 teaspoons of salt, three tablespoons of onion juice, which I have freshly squeezed and pre-measured. Okay, I think we stopped with the salt. So next we are going to put in 2/3 cup of white vinegar. And then next is 2 cups of salad oil, which I just use extra virgin olive oil. And remember, this is for 12 to 15 people. This is why there's so much. And then 3 tablespoons of sesame seeds, toasted. And last but not least, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. Okay, and then you're gonna mix it up and put it in the refrigerator and let it chill for about 2 hours. This gives it a chance for the flavors to combine and really taste good. And another thing is, when you take it out of the refrigerator, I would stir it up just in case there's any separation. Okay, now we're back, and I've let the salad dressing chill for about 2 hours. So the next step is to show you guys how to make the actual salad, and you're going to do this you're going to layer it for each individual bowl. Again, this is best for a party. So what you do first is you get 2 heads of lettuce and then a bag of romaine lettuce, and you mix it all together. And that's going to be our first ingredient for our salad, obviously. Alrighty. And then next, I cooked some chicken. I used about 6 chicken breasts, and I just baked them in the oven. So pick out some and place them on top. And I have kind of big chunks. I personally like to separate the meat, have that pull apart feel, but not everybody does. So I give you the option. All right, and again, I pre-cooked the chicken just for saving time's sake. Then next, I have 2 cups of celery stalks sliced. So we're gonna put some. And you know, you really just do as much as you think people will want. Some people like more of one ingredient, some like less, some don't like it at all. So you can kind of change it up for, you know, your guests, but this is actually the best way to layer it to get the full effect of the flavors. All right, then next would be the two cans of mandarin oranges, and you want to drain them first so you don't get all the juices from that. Okay, and then after that we have the 1 red bell pepper all chopped up. Let's place some of that in here. Okay, and then next comes it's 2 bunches of green onions all chopped up. And then I had 2 cups of snow peas, and I just went ahead and cut the ends off and cut them in half because it makes it a little easier on your fork. Just put some of those in there. And then we have some toasted almonds. And then last but not least, we have some chow mein noodles. I personally like a lot of these. They're addictive. And the recipe calls for the whole can. And then stir up some of this sauce. And just lay it on top. Voila! Alright, today I shared with you my Asian salad recipe, and I hope that you guys try it and that you guys agree that it's a great healthy party dish and that you're able to share. Thanks!